Hi guys, good morning. We're gonna show this house in Whittier. Spectacular views to my investor Anthony with Los Angeles Building and Design. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Good.
Good. Let's take a look. Hopefully it's another one of your good properties.
Another project?
Yeah. Hopefully we're able to nail this one as well. How many bedrooms?
So Anthony, this house is 5 bedrooms, 4 baths. It's about 3,200 square feet. The lot size is about 33,000. In addition, there's also guest quarters on the property. So let's take a look.
I really like this open living room space. I think it has a lot of potential. And what I really like is that this living room space opens up to the outside, which has amazing views actually. I know that what we're seeing right now is not like the end result, but
it has great meat and bones to it. Clearly it does need some updating, but look at the views. You have spectacular views.
wow, it does look
You can
awesome.
see all of Los Angeles, but it does need some updating. It does have a large lot, lots of vegetation, lots of ideas, potential ideas. You know, you put updating sliding doors through here.
Right. Remodel, rebuild homes, so I don't really care too much about what it looks like now, because the end result is going to be a completely different result than this, but it has a lot of potential. Well, let's keep looking inside and see what else we find inside, and then we'll take a look outside as well. Wow, this is good. So
This appears to be
the
the
kitchen
dining
area.
room. It's a very small dining room. Looks like they have a bar nook,
Right.
or they've established some type of bar nook here.
The kitchen is super small, but however, you can open up this kitchen, I think, by knocking this wall down and knocking this off. Because basically, back in the 80s and 70s, a lot of these homes were built with recessed ceilings coming down. For some reason, people back then wanted shorter ceilings. But now, the whole style now is having big open spaces. So as you can tell, this wall will prohibit you from actually expanding this kitchen. And even though it's a small kitchen now, it has a lot of potential because we can knock this whole wall down here and just make it a big open space. I think this has a lot of potential. I think it does. This is what over here.
This is the laundry room. This is another bedroom.
That's fine.
Clearly the house definitely needs some updating. You can see it's very outdated.
We'll take care of all that. That's the least of our problems.
This appears to be the master bedroom. You can tell definitely this is how the layout used to be back in the 50s.
Long time ago.
Yes. This appears to be the master bedroom. You can definitely see those are old heater furnace.
I'll tell you something. Even though this house is outdated, it has amazing potential. Because if I take a look at this room and look at the views, look at this bedroom. This bedroom, by simply doing a simple thing, we see this window here. But now, if we were to open up this space all the way through and create windows all the way across, you have nobody looking at you from the outside inside because we are so open. And if we look at at the view you have, basically when you in your bedroom, you could be looking at all of LA every single morning. When you're taking a shower, if we remodel the shower, then we can also, wow, look at this, guys. It's a pretty old door, huh? But if you come closer, but if we open up here, we can continue that big window all the way open. So just imagine this. We go ahead taking a shower. While you're taking a shower, you have a beautiful view of Los Angeles at the same time, guys. So I think that's incredible. I think that the opportunity here is pretty good. I think we have a lot to work with.
Right. So this is another bedroom. This is a very good sized bedroom. Look
Nice.
at the size.
Okay.
Fourth bedroom. Another good size.
Nice. Okay, I'm not too concerned about the bedrooms, because in a house, we all know what sells. In a house, you want to have that beautiful open living room space. You want to have that beautiful kitchen. You want to have those nice restrooms. So the bedrooms really don't make that much a difference, in my opinion. But once you have a beautiful open space where the family can get together, enjoy their time together, then I think that will automatically sell itself. But I think there was a second unit on this property.
Yes, this one.
Let's take a look. Wow, look at this view, guys. Wow, you get an amazing view. Maybe, back here, we do offer landscaping as well. So in this area right here, you can hold family get-togethers. You got a pool here, which is pretty green right now, but you can make that look really, really nice. It doesn't take much to update that pool and update all the landscaping here, which our company dedicates itself in doing that as well. And we have other companies that help us out in that process. So if you are interested in updating your landscaping, we will be presenting pictures of how this will look and what it can turn out to be, with giving you ideas in regards to that. But let's keep looking. They put a guest quarter under the top, and they use the top as a living space, outdoor space. And now they have an extra unit here. It's interesting. Having an extra an extra quarters here, which is an extra small house, is great, especially when it comes time to sell. Because when it comes time to sell, it's going to be enticing for the buyer to have an extra living space where they can, bring the family over, and they'll share that space with them. Maybe the family could spend the night, in that place. So that's very enticing when you're getting ready to sell your property. You actually have 2 units on one lot, and that helps out the sale anytime you have 2 units. Our company specializes in getting projects like this and turning them completely around, and we will be showing pictures of what this could potentially look like.
Ideally, because this is a very large property, what is your turnaround time? What do you think it's a project like this? Because it is on a much larger scale.
Right.
What do you think your
Well,
turnaround time is?
it is a lot of work, and it would be a lot of work, landscaping stuff, and then doing the whole inside of the house as well. But I think on a big project like this, depending on what the guest quarters is like, I think you're looking anywhere to 9 months to 12 months in terms of turnaround time, because we're talking about a lot of work.
Yes.
It's a huge property, and there is a lot of work to be done, but it's something that can be done. So this is a continuation, right? Just like a jungle
Well, it's
back there.
33,000 square feet, so
Wow.
it's a really huge property.
Let's take a look. So I know that right now, outdoor space, outdoor living space is almost just as important as indoor living space, because right now everybody wants to be, with the whole COVID thing and everything that's going on, people want to be able to enjoy their outdoor space just as much. And I know it is a little bit of a jungle.
This definitely does have potential.
Wow, this is beautiful. Damn, this is pretty amazing. Wow, it's like you're in the Amazon somewhere, huh? The water that's in the oxygen. They don't need to be watered. You see how they're stuck to the tree? Wow. Those are expensive plants. They don't never need to be watered. They just live like that.
So Anthony, what are your final thoughts? What do you
Well,
think?
this property obviously has amazing views. It's an awesome property. There is a lot of work to be done. However, it has extreme potential, especially in the location where it's at. It's a very hot location here in the city of Whittier. So it's definitely something we're going to be looking at. It's definitely something that we're going to be considering. We do have to do numbers, run some numbers on there to see exactly how much we're going to be having to invest in this property. But it definitely has a lot of potential. As well, guys, Nia's been my agent for the past 10 years. She does awesome work. She's been able to land us some amazing properties at very low prices. If you're ever interested in purchasing a home, or I think you do refinances as well, go ahead and contact Nia. Tell them a little bit about your business, Nia.
I service Los Angeles County, Orange County residential. So if you guys are looking for a property just to move into, or a property that you're looking to invest or flip, please reach. All my information is going to be at the bottom of the link. You can reach me there.
With that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We'll catch you on the next video. Next property is coming right up. Thank you.